I'm in a 2011 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you how to fold your seats down. So start with these middle rail ones. From here you can either pull this lever to fold it down, or you can use this handle and also will pull it down. And for the third row seats, these are all controlled by this here, so you can pull them up here, and then again you just pull this to push it forward, and then this here controls if you can lean it forward or not. These will can go with your hand, as well as this lever loosens it, but just pull this to push it forward again. When you're done, pull this back. And for your front seats, you just got this electronically controlled system, so this makes it all slide forward, and then this will make it lean forward or back, so forward, back. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.